came home. He was out for a long time. I came home, showered, took a nap, went out tonight to, have dinner and just hang out. And then he was just very confrontational.
Okay. Did you guys spend the evening together?
Very cool.
Okay.
And we're okay.
Okay.
But
how long have you guys been married?
we're not even legally married.
Okay. So how long have you been together?
7 years?
7 years. You live together back home?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Any children?
no.
Okay.
Questionable.
Any arguments before this?
Really?
Like work
I'm just-
loading?
No, I-
Can I have a look?
Okay. Just like put it behind my back, like, you're forcing me to. Like,
Did he grab you by?
yeah.
Okay. So did he grab you to pull you away or?
Just like, just put me down like he's in control.
Okay, so he came
He
back.
left. I was going to sleep and he came back home. He's like, you want to start shit? And I was like halfway asleep.
Okay.
Like, stop. Just let him go to sleep. We have these times.
Mhm.
You get too drunk. I get too drunk. Everything's happened.
Yeah.
It's okay. And I told him that in many texts.
Mhm.
It's okay. We all have our
Yeah.
things.
Say what?
Like, you're not going to touch me. You're not going to...
Okay. So he held you
Hit me.
down, kind of in your chest area or hands?
My back. Like, I flipped over to protect me. I flipped
okay.
over.
Okay.
And then
How did you manage to call us and at what
stopped.
point?
And I get in my phone, my watch. And I was
Okay.
like,
So
call.
you called
Yeah.
through the watch and when he...
So sorry to bother you guys.
Don't be sorry. Please, do not open the door if he comes back. Just give us a call right away or phone desk to call us, okay?
Thank goodness.
You gonna be okay?
I'm gonna be fine.
Upon departure, the officer spotted the male and was able to get his side of the story.
So I understand there was some...
Ordered a Reuben sandwich, and literally it was like 40 minutes, still haven't received it. And so I asked the guy,
Yeah.
I said, what about our sandwich? He's like, well, it shall be come up. I said, it's been 40 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
He said, no, you just ordered 10 minutes ago. My wife didn't like how I dressed him. She left, took an Uber. We had some text. One time, as I was heading back over here to find, because we fly out tomorrow, out of Fort Myers, got to rent a car, drive, the whole 9 yards. And that's what happened.
Why was the bed moved in the room?
Bed.
The bed.
I don't
There are
know
two
it.
beds,
Right,
right? And
right.
one of them, when I got in the room, was completely moved. Do you know why?
We actually bought these plants together. She slammed those things in there. I didn't do anything. I nothing whatsoever. So if a bed, I don't know what in reference to the bed got moved or something,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I haven't done anything. She literally slapped me and I restrained her hands. I have still an imprint from it. I'm not sure.
I'm gonna shine the light on you. a little
Okay,
bit,
go ahead.
You can just stay
Oh, it's
normal.
fine. Oh yeah.
Okay, so she slapped you like that.
Yes. So after she slapped me and was ready to slap again, I literally held her wrist
Okay.
to where she would not hit me anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
And after that, what happened?
After that point, I think
Some hand for a moment. I'll be back in a second.
Hi.
I'm so sorry to
It's
wake
okay.
you.
I'll let him get in the door.
Okay. Are you on the phone with someone?
Uh-huh.
If you don't mind, hang up. I gotta talk to you.
Hey, I'm gonna call you right back, okay?
So the reason I'm waking you up again is because I was writing my report, so I see him coming back, right? So I talked to him. The story he gave me is a little different, so I need to... That's your purse?
Yeah.
Okay.
He has something going on. I mean, what am I dealing with? Why? What's going on?
I'll explain in just a second. Can you do me a favor and come over here?
Am I in trouble?
Just step out here, please. Okay. Turn around, place hands behind your back.
Alright.
You are getting arrested for domestic, and you'll have access to everything.
Anything. This is wrong.
You're gonna see the judge first thing in the morning, and then he's gonna decide what
arm
next. Okay?
hurts.
Is it okay with you to...
My
leave
left
this?
arm hurts.
Your left arm? Okay, right here, right? Okay, I'm gonna... Can you make sure the room closes?
Yeah.
And I
I'm
pulled
probably
my...
gonna get fired from my job.
So I pulled my car to the left here, so we don't have to go through front desk, okay?
I'm fine.
Face the vehicle, please.
Yeah.
Do you have anything
Nothing
in your
on me.
pockets?
No,
Anything
ma'am.
at all?
Nothing.
Okay. Gotta search you still.
Our anniversary's on Sunday.
Sunday. She'll be out before then.
Oh, yeah. After the anniversary.
You can't get into my room, right?
Yeah, you won't be able to go there.
Okay.
And you told me you were not married. But he told me you were, so
We're not legally married.
No?
I did not do anything on paper.
Okay. Well,
He owes taxes. I'm not doing that.
Let me ask you a civil first.
Oh.